All right, y'all. So we no intro, man. No intro at all. We starting off. We getting the spark plugs. Yo, hold on. Where is it? Where it went? Where's that?
Yeah,
that's the new one, right?
That's the old one.
Oh shit. Look at this, y'all. Look how black that is. Hold on, let me focus. Look how black that is. That's charcoal at this point.
Yeah, that's soot.
Hey, we grilling tonight.
100%. I just wonder which one.
This is what the new one look like, y'all, in case y'all didn't know what y'all spark plugs look like. I'm learning this too, so, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, raw, uncut, you know what I'm saying? This is the life of a Mopar owner. Hey, replace y'all spark plugs, man. Yeah, y'all, we coming back from AutoZone. Yo, Lucian made me, he let me drive his truck, bro. This shit is crazy, man. I need me a truck. It just feel different, you know what I'm saying? It just feel different, man. Hold on. All right, y'all, so I'm changing my spark plugs, bro. I'm scared, man. This is, like I said, man, raw and uncut. I don't know. I don't feel no tension yet.
You ain't.
All right, hold on.
You got a while before you feel it.
All right.
Nah, because if you feeling it now, then we have issues. Cross-threaded.
I'm feeling tension now.
Keep going.
Damn, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
What the?
We good?
Yeah, we in there.
Shit is in the way. My bad, chat. Y'all ain't supposed to hear me curse.
I didn't catch that.
Oh, all right.
Stop the cap.
First time changing spark plugs, and he's a pro.
0 out of 10, do not recommend. Even though I know I said earlier, change your spark plugs, but don't do this. Take it to the shop. But why this side taking longer than the other one?
Do you know it's my power to ask questions?
No, they all like that. Remember, it's your first time, so you're taking your time. Like once you get to a point where you know where the tension point is going to be at, you'll be fine.
I feel like it's not like.
What, you feel like it's not catching?
Yeah. Like I've been doing this for a while now. So we replaced the spark plugs, turned the car back on, let it run for a little minute, and yeah, that didn't work. So obviously now we're changing the O2 sensors. This is my old O2 sensor. Look how black that is. If y'all want to go catless, this is what y'all gonna have to deal with. Hopefully this fixed the issue. And if this doesn't fix the issue, then we down to like one more option. And that's pretty much cleaning out the fuel injectors and seeing if they're just clogged up. Could be a mixture of everything, who knows, but yeah, man, I just wanted to keep you updated on what's going on. But yeah, this ain't it. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what they supposed to look like. Hold on real quick. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. Not like this. You can see the difference right there. So, but yeah, we're gonna keep working on it. I'm gonna get back with y'all a little bit later. Hey man, if y'all wanted to know what my exhaust setup was, here you go, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. You know what I'm saying? That's right. That right there, I'm gonna zoom in. That right there is where my middle mufflers were. You know what I'm saying? You look in the back, resonator's gone. saying? We got the headers up there. Obviously, I already showed y'all that. And that's it, man. We ain't got nothing crazy going on, man. But you know what I'm saying? I can't tell y'all everything. So, but yeah. But for those who know, you know, you already know, man. This is already, it ain't no secret, man. It's just, I still think my car one of a kind, but
My dumb ass was over here fucking tighten. I was like, bro, what the fuck?
it be like that sometimes. You know how it is. Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Yeah, my dumb ass forgot where the fuck I was.
Crazy. I find myself more under my damn car than actually in it nowadays. Because before it was an exhaust rattle I kept hearing, and some people keep saying it was like the heat shield. And if it's not the heat shield, it's your active exhaust. Clearly, I can see I don't have an active exhaust. I deleted it. Fuck. Lucian over here.
Killing myself.
But check y'all exhaust tips, man. Check y'all exhaust tips. Where those little clamps are. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but underneath the exhaust tip is like a little clamp with a bolt in there. Sometimes if those aren't tightened to spec,
see,
it'll loosen out. It'll rattle or whatever. What happened?
Leaned out.
Look at that, man. Hold on, focus. Yeah, so the right side is lean. Or the right side is, that's the right side, right?
Yeah, right side.
This right side, y'all, is lean, and then that first one I showed y'all was rich. So yeah, this one is the whole right side. Basically, y'all, my car is having a stroke. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, another thing I always mention too. Y'all saw my last video with everybody out there sliding their cars and doing burnouts and all the other stuff. It looked cool, it felt good, but make sure y'all swap out y'all differential fluid, man.
Every fucking time.
Every time, man. Make sure y'all do that, man, or y'all gonna have them metal shavings in there. It's gonna mess up your diff. Your car not gonna drive right, and then if that messes up, then it messes up your drive shaft, which is, I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if I, yeah.
We do not care.
Yeah, this right here is gonna mess up the drive shaft, and yeah, you're not gonna get far. So
You're gonna make it.
but yeah, make sure y'all do y'all maintenance, man. These cars is all fun and games until, you know, you gotta pay some money. So all right, y'all, we got some good news. So we changed all 16 of the spark plugs. Obviously that right side, or the driver's side spark plugs, were like super black. So that entire like left side is running rich. And the left side, or the right side, the passenger side, that side is running extremely lean, that y'all can see from the spark plugs. So yeah, the left side was super black, and the right side was like more oxidized or whatnot. But yeah, we changed out all 16. We fired up the car. Seemed kind of normal, but it didn't help at all. Let it idle, put it in drive, and it just started. I was like, all right, cool. Was gonna go for a drive. That didn't happen, so we, you know, shut the car off. And then I talked to a few people who, you know, been saying they had the same issue, and my boy Scaredy Cat, shout out Scaredy Cat. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here down below. Shout out him, honestly, for keeping it real, because he said he had the same issue. And he said something that piqued my interest. He was like, his O2 sensor. So I'm like, all right, we ain't really checked that issue yet. So we called AutoZone. AutoZone had, you know, some new downstream O2 sensors that we could grab. We ended up grabbing those. And sure shit, underneath the car, left side O2 sensor was super black. Right side O2 sensor was super oxidized. So we replaced them, let the car sit for a little bit, let it idle, and yo, the car is driving normal right now. The car is driving fine. No check engine light, none of that right now. It's driving smooth. It's real smooth now. But we not out the woods yet. I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna give it a little bit. Make sure the car is, you know what I'm saying, running the way how it needs to run. We just hope that it's not a bigger issue. Clearly, this is kind of just like a temporary fix because that's not really technically changing the whole fuel air kind of mix. But we're gonna take it easy until I get my car serviced and, you know, that cam get installed and whatnot. But right now the car can drive. It's good. I just need to just chill out on the, you know, the pops and the bangs. Chill out on the flame kit for a little minute and just drive it in regular street mode, eco mode, and call it a day, man. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all before the night ended. The car is good. It's you know what I'm saying, I wouldn't say it's 100%, but it ain't. It's released from the hospital essentially. But yeah, man, it's King Zeus. You know what I'm saying? Back with another video, and you know we gonna see y'all in the next one. Honestly, it wasn't really my plan to really do anything today, so we just kind of like, I'm like, yo, let's try to see if we can fix it ourselves. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. I ain't want to make the video too long. I just wanted to update y'all on everything that's going on with Zeus. But yeah, man, like always, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on a dang. I've been talking for 4 minutes. Whatever, man. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Peace.
Ransom. Please, oh, what the fuck? Yeah.